Hello everyone, welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. In today's video, I'll show you are your picture, video, or document thumbnails not showing in Windows 11? Instead of previews, you're only seeing generic icons. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven methods to restore thumbnail previews in Windows 11. These fixes work for JPG, PNG, MP4, PDF, Photoshop files, and many other file types. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable Thumbnail Preview. Open File Explorer. Click the three dots at the top. Select Options. Go to the View tab. Look for Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. If this box is checked, uncheck it. Click Apply, then OK. Now reopen File Explorer and check whether the thumbnails have returned. Method 2. Enable thumbnail settings in Performance Options. Press Windows plus R, type cisdm.cpl, press Enter. Open the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Make sure these two options are enabled. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply, then OK. Method 3. Rebuild the thumbnail cache. Sometimes the thumbnail database becomes corrupted. Let's rebuild it. Press Windows plus R. Type cleanmgr, press Enter. Choose your Windows drive, usually C, click OK, check only. Thumbnails, click OK, then delete files. Windows will automatically rebuild the thumbnail cache. This may take a few minutes. Method 4. Restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes Explorer simply needs restarting. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and choose Restart. Wait a few seconds. Check File Explorer again. Method 5. Reset Folder View. Open File Explorer. Click three dots Options. View choose Reset Folders. Click Apply, then OK. This restores default folder settings. And that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix thumbnails not showing in Windows 11. If one of these methods solved your problem, let us know in the comments which fix worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips, troubleshooting guides, and computer repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.